The mobile header system for Blocksy gives you a powerful set of tools to craft the perfect look for your website on mobile devices. It's been designed with ease of use in mind, and the drag-and-drop interface means your finished design is only a few steps away. To get started, open the customizer, go to the header panel and switch to the tablet mobile view using the buttons in the editing toolbar. A new area appears called the off-canvas area. This is where your mobile menu elements live, and we'll cover it in detail shortly. The most important element in the mobile header system is the trigger. This is what opens the off-canvas area for your visitors. Without it, they'd have no way to access the mobile menu. That said, depending on your use case, you may not need it. For instance, if you prefer to display simple navigation options directly inside a header row. All other elements are shared with the desktop header, and clicking on any of them opens their editing controls. Focusing on the trigger element, you'll find a handful of design options, a choice of icon, its size, a style option that gives it more of a button appearance, and label visibility controls for when you want to make its purpose visually clear to users. The off-canvas area holds the elements that appear when the trigger is activated. It follows the same principle as the header rows, except that elements are arranged vertically rather than horizontally. Clicking any element opens its editing controls in the usual way. Before going further, it's worth consulting the official documentation to see what options are available for each element. Not all elements can be added to the off-canvas area, though most can. Some elements also behave differently depending on where they're placed. The menu element, for example, presents contextually relevant options when added to the off-canvas area that are specific to mobile devices. To access the off-canvas area options panel, hover over it and click the cog icon that appears. Here you'll find visual options such as opening the area as a side panel or a full screen modal. Some of these choices are contextual and may not appear depending on your initial selections. The Design tab lets you customize the appearance of the off-canvas area, its background color, backdrop, and shadow, again subject to your initial configuration choices. You'll also find design controls for the Close button, so you can finish off the look exactly as you want it. A notable addition for Blocksy Pro users: the off-canvas area is available on desktop devices as well and works in exactly the same way. To enable it, simply drag the trigger element onto one of the desktop header rows and configure from there. Keep in mind that the desktop off-canvas area does not share elements or design properties with the mobile version by default, so you'll need to set it up independently. Mobile headers and menus made simple. If you'd like to learn more about what Blocksy has to offer, head on to our website or browse our other videos to keep exploring.